welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shannel Morris here. I am here in Cancun, Mexico. I will be staying at the Royalton Riviera in Cancun, Mexico, and for this vlog I'll be showing you a tour of the check-in, lobby, and our room tour all in one, so you get a gist of your first impression when landing straight at the resort. Let's get into this tour. Upon your arrival at the Royalton Hotel, this is going to be your first wow factor, and it's just this driveway that you are going to be seeing upon your arrival. This is so aesthetically pleasing, and it gives you the first impression to a start to your vacation. But the grand entrance is definitely the lobby. So now that you've seen the runway, let's check out the lobby.
Thank you. Thank you.
So the lobby of this hotel is large enough to social distance for many people, and they have a COVID testing on site.
Hey guys,
Hello, hola.
how can I help you guys?
We're trying to book a COVID test.
A COVID test?
For both
Okay,
of us,
perfect.
yeah.
2 persons?
Yes.
Perfect, guys. I can help you with the reservation.
Okay, no
Okay,
problem.
thank
Okay.
you.
Thank you.
And I just want to confirm with you guys, just to make sure that you understand that it's not a big long process. They come straight to your room, they get the test done, and you're good to go.
How is it?
It's okay. It wasn't bad. It wasn't bad.
It didn't hurt? It
but
just like...
it just feels weird, something going that far up my nostrils.
my eye.
That's it. Here you go.
Can you not put it too far, please?
Okay, I need to get in because there is the false nozzle, and I
All
get
the
it.
way in?
Yeah, like this. So bad. Don't move.
Graham, you can't move.
Can you do ears first?
No.
Oh shit.
You're being a wussy. It doesn't hurt. It's just itchy.
She's like picking your nose.
Yeah.
So bad. Okay.
Don't move.
Please don't move.
How was it? How was it?
It's okay. I think I wish.
It wasn't bad, right?
Yeah, it's bad. It's okay.
One other thing that I want to show you before I go into the room is this beautiful cafe. I want to get myself an ice cream before I do this room tour for y'all, okay? Raheem,
Yeah.
are we gonna go have some ice cream before
Yes,
we
and I
check
saw
out this room?
I saw that they have my favorite pistachio.
Wow!
I'm so excited.
I'm gonna have the mango. Yes, please. I'll have the cheesecake. No. Thank you so much. So I just ordered the pistachio and the mango ice cream with a cheesecake and a nice beautiful tart. It looks so good. I'm such a dessert person.
How are you doing? I'm good.
Are you visa in Mexico? Have you been in Mexico before? Hello, mister.
Hello.
Por favor, adelante.
Thank you. Gracias.
Un placer. Hello, welcome to Royalton, Mr. Muñoz. So, we are here in Mexico. Try to enjoy the place. We have a lot to do. And actually, we're in the Riviera Maya. So, we have too many stuff.
I'm super excited to show you guys this room because if you see the view that I'm looking at right now, you would be excited too. Okay, so first of all, the key card looks a little bit different. It's actually this wristband right here. You tap on the door in order to enter your room. So first, as you enter the room, this is your view. And then you have an open concept bathroom area. So your sinks are right there, his and her sinks. And then you have your jet tub. Then you have me. But your shower is a little bit private. So you have an overhead shower and everything. And you also have a side shower right there. And Kiara is my little assistant, and you have a mirror here, which is your closet, and then you have your safe right there. Yeah, and just robes and stuff. Ooh, okay, I didn't know that. Wave and you shall be lit. This is the bed area, and this is the birthday boy.
What's up?
He's trying to figure out his Wi-Fi switch for the room. And gotta love the baby. And it's the TV for me. So the TV, you can order your food on there and everything. And then you have this little couch area where you can do some relaxing, do some work over there. But look at this view, guys. This is what I was looking at earlier. Gorgeous.
So this is how you order room service. Wife says she want chicken fingers and fries.
After a whole pandemic and everything, I am so glad we got this room because honestly, it's such a treat waking up to this view and having been traveling for such a long time. Oh my gosh, I'm literally in a dream right now, in a dream, because you just saw what I just showed you. Oh my gosh. But we just got here and this is our first hour, within our first hour of viewing this hotel. I haven't seen personally all the amenities that they have, but I'm super tired. It's been a long day, so I'm gonna get back to you guys with the rest of the vlog at another time because I want to take in this view. Right? Yeah. So I'll see you guys soon.